Alright, welcome back to Cyberbowl. So, HBO Max just came out with a new series called Raised by Wolves. It's a sci-fi. Why it's called Raised by Wolves, I have no idea, but we're going to check it out. It was released a couple of hours ago. I love sci-fi movies, or series. I like movies better, but series are just as good. They're like an extended movie. Hopefully it's not corny when we watch the first episodes. So, let's just check it out to see how it is. Let's dig in. Oh shit. Oh, jump UFOs.
Gather round, children. The Earth was destroyed by a great war. I was programmed to protect you. And now, we start again. Does anyone know the story of the three little pigs?
Okay. Ridley Scott, okay.
The first little pig built a house out of straw. The second little pig built a house out of sticks. And the third little pig, he built a house out of stone. One day, a big bad wolf came along and said, little pig, let me in, or I'll huff. Blow your house in.
Damn! What is going on?
The big bad wolf she was talking about.
Well, this is definitely wild as shit.
That's her.
Yo, she was howling. Oh, that's wild. I think it looked good. It's definitely different. I don't know what's going on with her and her powers and blood flying everywhere in that spaceship or whatever was going on, but that looks awesome. I like that Ridley Scott's doing it, which means it probably is going to be good. The visuals look great. I have no idea what the storyline is other than the three little pigs, if that's even what it is. But still looks good. Let me know what you think. What you think of it? Hit me in the comments below. I think it looked great. Let me know what you thought. Are you going to watch it? Is sci-fi not your thing? That's all I got. Thanks for watching. Peace out.